Make my homemade chicken noodle soup on this rainy day.
It's finally a rainy day in Southern California. Means I am craving my homemade chicken noodle soup. I'm running to the store to grab some of the goodies. Favorite comfort.
Starting with a pot of water. I think this is about 12 cups of water. I'm using my Better Than bouillon. This is the roasted chicken base. I actually realized I'm running low. This is what's really gonna give us that chicken broth base. So I'm gonna bring this to a slow boil and I'm gonna put in some goodies in here just to give my broth more flavor. So I'm just gonna throw in a half onion and I'm just gonna throw in a whole carrot. Next, I'm gonna add 2 chicken breasts, like so. This is the wrong lid. I'm gonna cover this and let this simmer. While we wait for that, we're gonna chop our veg. We're gonna do half of an onion, 2 carrots, some celery, just dicing up 2 cloves of garlic. It is officially thundering outside with hail. Simmering for about 45 minutes. So I'm gonna take the chicken out now and I'm going to shred the chicken. If you have a shredder, even better. Or you can slice it up like regular. It's time to season our broth. We're definitely going in with some fresh pepper, salt, going in with some garlic powder. I just realized that I ran out of my onion powder. We are going in with some chicken seasoning just to give it a little more chicken flavor. A sprinkle of thyme, sprinkle of rosemary. Never hurt anybody. This is one of my favorites. Lowry's. Not a lot because we already added salt. Gives it such a yummy flavor. Some of our fresh veg. And we will put our chicken back in. This part may be controversial, but I like to add honey. Don't knock it till you try it. Medium low, the simmer and get the veggies cooked. I'm making chicken for my son. I ended up running out to the store because I feel like it just needed more of the Better Than bouillon. Need a little bit more flavor. Stuff is amazing. Picked up some onion powder. Good heaping tablespoon. You're also gonna think this is weird. I made a little slurry of cornstarch and water. I like to thicken up my chicken soup just a little bit. I want it like a step above water. The last weird thing, a little bit of butter. Trust me. This is the stage where I just keep doctoring it. I'm tasting, adding. Then we're gonna do egg noodles. Now that we've got our broth tasting perfect, I'm gonna do about a half of a package. They really expand in the soup. Here is the final product. So yummy. Look at that. Really get in my belly right now. Homemade chicken noodle soup. Divine.
It is super hot, but I'm impatient. Amazing. It's so good. It's a lot of steps, but it's easy. And the bottom line is just keep tasting your broth until it tastes like how you want it to taste. Really freaking insane.